You have heard this word IT, right? Stands for information technology. There are two words resides under it, information and technology. And believe it or not, these two words rely on each other so heavily that without information, technology is useless. And without advent of technology and tools, we cannot spread the information at a mass scale. And because of this same concept, it is crucial to understand this, that what is the role of database into the IT sector. It's a huge role because any database is a collection of data, information, right? So in the history of databases, one database other than SQL, or you can say relational database, who was able to manage mass adoption and popularity was MongoDB. And in my knowledge, there are 4 reasons for that. Number 1 is ease of understanding and learning and using at micro and macro. Second one is ready to grow at any scale from day one while maintaining the same database performance. Third one, which in my knowledge is very important, support of undefined data model, which supports changes at micro level even if the database is grown enough. And the fourth and last one, which is support of JSON format data. And this in itself opens so many opportunities into the market. Why? Because now customer has an option to choose, and this is very important because based upon the application requirement and needs, is the application database intensive or not, customer has now an option to choose the most desirable and most reliable database for its needs. Hi, my name is Darshan, and in this video we're going to understand what AWS has to offer for you in this segment of database. AWS DocumentDB, which is another subservice of AWS database that AWS comes with. DocumentDB offers you to host JSON-based document database in the premise infrastructure like AWS. With DocumentDB, AWS assures you fully managed services which relies on top of native MongoDB database. Benefits to use DocumentDB in AWS to host your MongoDB infrastructure is, first one is that it is fully managed, meaning that all the operations, patching and maintenance is done by AWS own database engineers which are well professional in this field. Second one is intercompatibility with other services. Within the AWS, there are multiple services that one can use to build its infrastructure. And if you use DocumentDB, it can easily get integrated with the other services of AWS, which can help you to build robust, scalable infrastructure onto AWS cloud. Third one is effective costing. AWS claims at large scale, DocumentDB can be the most cost-effective database for you. Referring AWS official documentation is always a wise choice for deeper understanding of services like DocumentDB. And with that, if you find this video useful, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends so that they can also get a daily dose of AWS.